All right, we have a breaking news coming in from the National Capital viewers. Fire has broken out on the 4th floor of the Income Tax Office. News coming in from ITO in Delhi. Now, this building is being evacuated right now as we speak. Fire tenders have been rushed to the spot to douse the fire. Reason not known yet as to why this fire broke out. Those are the latest visuals on your screens. My colleague Aqil Jamil is joining us live on the broadcast from Ground Zero. Aqil, tell us more about the details. What's happening right now? Have everybody being evacuated or there are people still trapped? Aqil, can you hear me? We'll try and reconnect with Aqil there, but that is the latest video. You can see income tax building there in New Delhi, the ITO. And that's a fire that has broken out at the 4th floor of the income tax office, the CR building. The building is being right now evacuated, and we do not know yet if there are people still trapped there or the extent of damage and the cause of the fire. That is yet to be ascertained. But right now, what we know is that this fire broke out at the 4th floor. As per the income tax office employees, the main reason could be fire in the AC compressor. Aqil is back with us. Aqil, over to you. Tell us more about the cause, and are the people in the building safe?
Well, Rakshita, right now I'm just standing outside the income tax office. Here you can see the visuals behind me over here. So the income tax office, 4th floor, there's a fire which has engulfed the 4th floor of the income tax department. Over here right now, you can see some of the staff who were working inside the premises of the income tax office have come out, and the process is still on.
Right, do we know about the cause? Because what we know that this could be an AC compressor that could have actually exploded, or there could have been a fire because of that.
Well, the fire broke out just a few moments back. Right now, I'm joined by some of the eyewitnesses who were inside that income tax.
Right.
Let me just speak to you and get to you know the exact details of what exactly happened.
Okay, all right.
ये बताइए कि अंदर क्या हुआ?
अभी जस्ट लंच ओवर हुआ था और हम लोग पीछे बैठे हुए थे. अचानक से एसी का कंप्रेसर फटने की वजह से पीछे मतलब खिड़की विंडो से पूरा आ रहा था उसका, मतलब आग लग गई थी, पूरा ह्यूज डिस्ट्रक्शन फायर का था.
Okay. Right, Aqil, we'll get more details. Thank you so much for the moment. That's the latest update we have. Fire at the ITO building in Delhi on the 4th floor of the income tax building. We'll keep a track of more details coming in. But now we should focus straight to Karnataka, viewers, where H.D. Ravanna has been released from jail. He walks out of jail, and this is, of course, on a conditional bail. Now, Republic TV has confronted H.D. Ravanna. Take a look at that sequence.
Massive number of people out here as well, where H.D. Ravanna is being released. Hundreds of JDS workers also coming out in huge number. So it's a massive, it's a massive traffic jam out here. You're seeing that more and more number of people are coming in here as well. So this is, this is the huge number of people out here who are coming at this point of time. Let's try to go and get in a response as well from Mr. H.D. So we try to go and get in a response from Mr. Ravanna out here. His heading is what we get to understand to his Baswangudi residence out here as well. So Mr. H.D. Ravanna has been released now. He's heading towards Baswangudi, where we will also again shortly be going ahead and speaking to him and try to get in a word from him.